We are not stopping anytime soon. I mean, I just love watching these kind of videos. I guess by this time I am obsessed. Every time I watch these kind of viral videos, I'm like, ये भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी कुछ होता है, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक कि मुझे भी ट्राई करना है, कुछ भी हो जाए, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज फन टू डू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइस सो दैट you guys you guys will also get to know how crazy these hacks actually are, and let's see if they actually work in real life. Let's get started. So we have 8 genius makeup hacks. हम एक ही कर ले वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होने वाली है. Let's see. Coconut oil, fine. Microwave. Crayon, they are safe. No, they are not. Are they? I don't know. I'm not a kid anymore. I don't use them anymore. I don't know. मैं क्रेयॉन्स कहाँ से लेकर आऊंगी? मुझे पड़ोस के बच्चे से मार के लेकर आने पड़ेंगे, बोले बिना बताए. Ooh, nice. Are they not harmful? I don't know. They look kind of nice. Like if you don't have any lipstick, instead of going out in the market and buy an actual lipstick, you can just go to your neighbor's place to steal the crayon. Also, don't forget to borrow some of the coconut oil. I'll be right back. So from today onwards, I'm starting my own makeup line, and I'm also going to be telling you how you can, create your own makeup line. So you will need a coconut oil. It's very hot. Please handle this with care. And I managed to get this red, like very nice red color wax crayon. So I'm just gonna break it and just put it in it. We have to give it some time, and then your lipstick is just ready. So go ahead, go crazy, build an empire, earn so much money. You just learned something here. Guys, it melted in like 5-10 minutes, and उसके बाद I froze it for like 5 minutes, and ये अब tomato ketchup लग रहा है. But anyway, let's try it. Let's try its consistency. ये pure ketchup ही लग रहा है. It's nice. I mean, it's just a wax crayon and coconut oil. It's nice. Let's apply it on lips. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है खराब ना हो जाए मेरे lips. But anyway, let's do it for the internet. Gloss लग रहा है. It's not like lipstick. बहुत ही moisturizing लग रहा है और बहुत weird feeling आ रही है. Crayon का ऐसा कुछ smell नहीं आ रहा है. It's just I'm just smelling coconut oil. It's not lipstick. No pigmentation. But I love how subtle it looks. And yeah, it's a nice glow. I actually like it. Oh my god, it's so nice. I mean, it failed as a hack because it showed like it's a lipstick, but I'm fine. I mean, it turned out as a gloss. I'm fine with that also. Nice. Let's just remove this. To be very honest, I'm not feeling good about it. Okay, so we have 2 tablespoons of baby shampoo and then coconut oil. Purified water? It's normal water, right? Okay. This looks nice. Let's do it. Welcome to Science Experiments with Sonia, or should I say Khana Khazana. Anyway, starting with another steal of the day, we have baby shampoo. So as the hack said, we have to pour 2 tablespoons of it. 1, 2. I'm having so much fun. Then I already have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Glycerine की तरह लग रहा है. It looks so nice and crystally. Love it. And then I don't have, वो वाला clear water. मैं तो अपने घर का पानी use करने वाली हूँ because I'm not that fancy and I'm fine with that. I guess this much is fine. And then just mix it very nicely as you're cooking pasta. I guess this is fine. ये बहुत soapy लग रहा है. I have mixed feelings about it. Anyway, I have a cotton pad. Let's soak it in. ठीक है? It smells nice. I guess it's because of this shampoo. Anyway, let's remove our lipstick. It removed completely. Nice. Nice. Look, all the lipstick, or should I say that lip stain, lip gloss is gone. I'm happy about it. And बहुत sticky नहीं लग रहा. It feels moisturized. I guess it's because of coconut oil. So I guess this is working fine. Nice. I'm impressed today. So today's video is possible by Amrutam, which offers solution to our modern needs, and hair care has been a huge concern in our everyday lives. Like, we constantly keep worrying about issues like dull hair, dandruff, split ends, frizzy hair and whatnot, that we forget to ask ourselves this question: are my hair healthy? So to solve that issue, the brand has sent me their Kuntal Care Kit, which contains hair oil, hair spa, shampoo and a Kuntal Care malt. The brand is in a lot of talk these days, and even I have heard it from one of my friends, and it works wonders. So first, massage the oil through your hair and keep it like that for an hour or overnight. It has ingredients like neem, long, triphala, coconut oil and more, which helps strengthening of hair roots. Plus it smells amazing, which is a plus point right there. It's very useful in controlling hair loss and keep hair healthy and shiny. Next is hair spa, which is my personal favorite, which you have to apply on your dry hair from roots to tips. Leave it like that to dry for 30-40 minutes or even overnight. It has ingredients like Bhringraj, Amla, olive oil and more, which works wonder especially on dry frizzy hair. And Bhringraj stimulates hair growth and prevents hair graying. It's a do-it-yourself hair mask for revitalizing and strengthening of your hair. Finally, shampoo your hair using small amount in wet hair. It's a daily scalp cleanser that nourishes the scalp, which contains Rita, Shikakai, Amla, which is useful in reducing hair fall, dandruff and other hair related problems, and leaves you with healthy hair later on. Not only this, guys, I believe that what we put inside our bodies also help in taking care of our hair from the outside, and for that they sent me their Kuntal Care malt. So you can take 2 tablespoons with warm milk or water twice daily on an empty stomach in morning and half an hour before dinner in evening. Ooh, I also forgot to show you, they also have miniatures. These are so cute. Love the packaging, and you can try them by your own self, and that way you'll be saving money as well, which is always great. And they are travel friendly as well. Always up for it. I have linked all the products in description box down for you guys, so don't forget to check it out. So the next hack is, let's see, no old sponge. Are you are you kidding me? Look how happy she is. ऐसे कौन करता है भाई? Anyway, I want to try it. So funny. Oh my god, why do people do it? I have a balloon. I literally washed it. Let's see. This is fine. इतना बड़ा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर कौन यूज करता है? Wait. ठीक है, I guess this much is fine. Still it's बड़ा, but anyway. My nails are long. I'm scared. कुछ हो ना जाए. I have my beauty blender ready. I have my concealer. Let's test it out. I don't want to put this balloon on my face, so probably I'm going to be trying here on my forehead. But let's see. Few dots here, and then here. Let's see. Excited. Okay, so I have this pointy वाला part जो कि beauty blenders में होता ही है. What is that? जो कि beauty blenders में होता ही है. So let's see. It's so funny. और ये से आवाज़ कर रहा है. Like I'm doing this. It's sticking to my face and ये बहुत weird आवाज़ कर रहा है. If you're trying this now, please watch this before you do this. Please. Can you hear it? It's so weird. It's so weird. Imagine you're getting ready for a date doing this. Ooh, but blend हो गया यार. है ना? नहीं हुआ? I don't know. पोक ना कर दूंगा इसमें. हो गया है यार. See? Nice. Let's try here. अंडा मार रही हूँ सिर पे. What am I doing with my life? ब्लेंड हो गया अच्छे से, बट आई रियली डोंट वांट टू बी डूइंग दिस एवरी सिंगल मॉर्निंग. इट्स सो फनी एंड इट्स सो बैड. लाइक you're putting this texture on your skin. It's weird. Like even if it's working, don't do it. Like don't. Why would you want to do it? All right, so the next we have, what do we need? Body cream and glitter. I don't want to put it on my face. Please don't let me. Ooh, nice. मेरी आवाज़ चली गई. Nice. It's so cool. Like considering the festivities are just around the corner, maybe we can do this hack. Let's see. Let me adjust my top first. Okay. So let's put some cream. Why am I using spoon? I have body lotion. This much is fine, I guess. Then I have silver glitter. बहुत पुराना रखा हुआ मुझे मिल गया. This much is fine, I guess. मैंने सारा डाल दिया. Too much glowiness is gonna happen. तुमने बहुत सारे ड्रग स्टोर मेकअप हैक्स देखे होंगे या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव वाले मेकअप हैक्स देखे होंगे. क्या तुमने स्टेशनरी वाले कभी मेकअप हैक्स देखे हैं? हाँ, आज हम यही करेंगे पूरी वीडियो में. ग्लिटर तो मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है. इट्स जस्ट क्रीम. आई गेस मुझे और डालना पड़ेगा. सारा डाल दो. I have no idea where this hack is going, but I'm just okay with the fact that you guys are with me. We are in this together. हो जाएगा. What is this? I don't want to put it on my body. It's shit. It's nothing. So the mixture is ready. Let's apply it. It feels weird, but anyway. I don't know. I guess, okay, wait, let me come closer. I guess the lotion or the body cream, whatever you're using, that's gonna, it's just transparent. So it's not gonna show when you apply it on your body, and then the glitter will just stick to your body. So it's like that. But anyway, it's looking nice on the camera, but when I'm looking at like that, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं किसी बच्चे का art and craft कर रही थी and I just threw glitter on myself. I guess that's what they do. They just show the hacks which look good on camera in their videos, but I mean, it's not that nice, to be very honest. But anyway, it's fun to try these hacks by your own self. I mean, they are not that harmful, Okay, next is, उनका eyeliner work नहीं कर रहा है guys. Now she's smart. हम बच्चों का सामान यूज़ करें. Okay, fine. Was it hot water or just normal water? Wait. Just water. Nice, fine, if it works. Later she is applying it on her lips also? Okay, I'm confused. I guess like by this time, like 2020 or maybe next year, because this year is almost finished, we have to open up a stationery shop and our cosmetic brand साथ साथ, because same ingredients use हो रहे हैं यार, पैसे बचेंगे. So I have this colored pencil, small colored pencil, so cute. I have water. Let's just dip it for like, I don't know, कितने मिनट करना है? 5 minutes? It's fine, right? I guess a minute is fine. Let's try it. So excited. पहले से थोड़ा okay. Oh, it's working. Can you imagine? कितना cheap होने वाला है eyeliner अब. Wow. Let me do it completely quickly. Let's create a wing. I want to go all out with this one. Oh my god, this was nice. I'm impressed. Look. यार मैं तो अब एक्सपेंसिव आईलाइनर्स में इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करने वाली. 10 या 20 रुपीज़ का पैकेट आता है, आई गेस पूरा, एंड यू विल गेट सो मेनी डिफरेंट कलर्स. Guys, I found this really cool nail paint hack. Let's see it together and then we'll try it. I know it looks so weird, but isn't it so cool? Let's try it. Okay, so I have a used lipstick. I have a brush. Let's take a little bit. Though I already have my nails extensions done, इसी के ऊपर we can try it. I'm fine with that. Let's apply some of it here. Completely. So happy. Like this. A little more. Let's apply a coat of a clear nail paint on top of it. And let it dry. It's all dried up. It's done. I mean, it looks like a nail paint. Wow, it actually works. I'm happy about it, but at the same time, I'm having weird feelings about these hacks. I mean, who would have thought कि ऐसे you can create your own nail paint? I mean, not only this, they have a nail paint remover also. I mean, they have every solution in the world. It's not 5-minute craft. It's lifetime craft. Maybe they can DIY some vaccine also. Anyway, let's try it. Ignore that, what I said. I don't like the smell of vinegar. We have this. Let's pour it. And then we have half lemon. कभी नहीं होता यार मेरे से. कोई जिम करने का फायदा नहीं हो रहा है यार. ठीक है, we're done. Let's mix it. I have a cotton. I'm now excited. It's done. कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. Nothing. Nothing. बहुत ही हल्का सा है ऊपर का, बट कुछ भी रिमूव नहीं हुआ है. यार मुझे दोबारा से ठीक करवाने पड़ेंगे जाके. मुझे ये हैक महंगा पड़ गया है. यार ये नहीं वर्क किया. So guys, that was it for today's video. How was it? Let me know. I तो love making these kind of videos and I know that you guys love watching these kind of videos. तो ठीक है, next video में मिलते हैं. Bye. Like and subscribe. I love you. Bye.